Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can create these carriages. So let's go. First of all, we start up with our train from the last tutorial, of course links in the description. So we just duplicate this train here and call this carriage underscore blueprint. Open this up. We can delete the begin play and keep the rest, so our speed up, slow down and event tick here. Then we go to the viewport and of course we have to replace the mesh here. We open up the details, we have our train mesh here. This one is just a static mesh, and I also have this carriage here, also static mesh, of course link is in the description. Select the carriage and place it right here. Of course, as you can see in my case, I have to fix the position like that, and then we just place it inside the world. It's much easier to open up the details of the train here, and we can just copy and paste the position as well as the rotation for the carriage like that. And since it's a straight track here, I can just pull it back until I fix the position like that. Great. Now we open up the train blueprint here and we have to make some adjustments. First of all, we need a new variable called carriages. This will be an carriage blueprint object reference as an array. When we compile this, you can see we can now add up some multiplied carriages. Very important to make the variable public here. So open up the I here. And then we need to add up some functionality. So we take out the carriages, say for each loop. And then we just call the speed up function as well for the carriages. Like that. So at begin play, we wait for 3 seconds, then the train is speeding up, at the same time the carriages are speeding up. So let's say after a delay of, for example, 8 seconds, we want to stop everything. So in this case, we call the slow down function. And as well, we have to do this for the carriages. Same thing for each loop, array element, slow down. Like that. Just an example. As well, we have to go to the get path function and have to make a little adjustments here. So we have the end of the spline where we stop. So we have to call the same function for the carriages. Again, we take out the carriages, say for each loop, connect it, and want to set the stop boolean. In this case to true. And that's it. Let's open up our world here, open up the details of our train. And now we have the active path. So we have to select the active path for the carriage as well, like that. And then we can add up some carriages to the train. So hit the plus here and just select the carriage. In this case we have only one. Of course you can select multiply, you can pick the active from the scene if you want, like that. Great, let's see if this works. When we hit play, after 3 seconds, the train will speed up, as well with the carriage. The animation is working as well as the sound. And after 8 seconds, it slows down, together with the carriage. Great. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.